Hello guys, one of the coolest things about running Aura++ is getting a front row seat to just watch what founders are building. Every week new products get launched and honestly some of them are solving problems I didn't even know they existed. So today I picked 10 interesting products from Aura++ and we are going to take a quick look at each of one. Some are AI products, some are built for founders, some are developer tools, and a few are just very clever ideas. So without any further ado, let's get started. And the first project we are going to include in this video is Reelry. If you are creating content for social media, you already know how much work goes into making short form videos consistently. What I found interesting about Reelry is that it starts by learning about your brand. You can connect your website and it figures out things like your style, messaging, and overall brand presence. Then it generates complete reels for you. And as you can see on the website, we are just not talking about generating a script. It handles the visuals, voiceovers, animations, and turns everything into a ready to post video. For startup agencies and creators trying to stay active on the platform like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or any other platform, this could save a lot of time. So you can check out Reelry at reelry.app. Next in our list we have FAQ templates. Now this is one of those products that is not flashy, but it is incredibly useful. Most founders know what they have on an FAQ page, but staring at a page and figuring out what question to include isn't exactly fun. FAQ template give you ready-made FAQ structures, examples, and practices you can adapt to your website. It is basically templates of FAQs. As you scroll through the website, you will notice it is focused on creating FAQ content that's more useful for users, good for support, and also optimized for search engines and especially AI visibility. Simple idea, but definitely something that can save a lot of time. So moving on, we have ReleasePad. This one is built for SaaS teams and developers. One thing that often gets overlooked is communicating product updates. You spend weeks building features, fixing bugs, and improving your product. But if users don't know what's changed, a lot of that work goes unnoticed. If you're consistently shipping updates, then having a dedicated place to communicate those changes can make a big difference for user engagement and transparency. And it can also become one of your marketing channels as well. So next in our list we have AnyVids AI. What stood out to me immediately is they are not focusing on just one AI model. Instead, they are bringing together a whole collection of leading AI video and image models into a single platform. You can generate videos from text, create videos from images, edit content, generate AI visuals, and experiment with different models from one single dashboard. If you are constantly jumping between different AI platforms, this could save a lot of your time. So next up is Sebora AI. And honestly, I think their positioning is pretty smart. Most SEO tools give you dashboards, keyword charts, and then they expect you to figure out everything by yourself. Sebora takes a different approach. You basically give it your website, connect to your Google Search Console, and it builds out an entire SEO strategy for you. It identifies opportunities, write articles, and even prepare drafts that can send directly to your CMS. Now let's talk about our next project, which is Vizro AI. If you have ever worked with spreadsheets full of data, you'll probably appreciate this one. Vizro helps turn spreadsheets and datasets into dashboards and visual insights. Instead of manually building charts and reports, the platform analyzes your data and help present it in a way that's easier to understand and looks visually more appealing. One thing I really like is the idea of being able to interact with your data more naturally instead of spending hours digging through rows and columns. So next in our list we have Arobis AI. Now as this platform claims, this is built for AI visibility. You can just simply get started with by connecting your website and you can run an AI visibility audit as well. It will give you all the things that you need to do. It helps you improve your AI visibility. It helps you rank faster to the queries that your brand is solving. So it's definitely worth it to check them out. Next in our list we have Backlink Catalog. If you have ever tried improving your website's SEO, you've probably run into the challenge of link building. Everyone talks about backlinks being important, but actually finding quality opportunities can be very difficult and very time consuming. Backlink Catalog aims to make that process easier for startups trying to grow their organic search. Anything that simplifies SEO outreach is worth paying attention to. Next in the list of our websites, we have TurboStarters. This one is probably going to appeal developers and indie hackers. One of the biggest mistake founders make is spending weeks and even months setting up their infrastructure before they can build out their actual product. TurboStarters provides you with a template. It comes with things like authentication, payments, emails, deployment, SEO foundations, AI integrations. Everything is already done for you. You just have to build your product on top of it and you're done. These were 10 of the projects that launched on Aura++. And honestly, one of my favorite things is seeing the variety of ideas founders are bringing to life. Let me know which one stood out to you the most. And if you are building something yourself, you can always launch it on Aura++ and get your product in front of other founders, makers, and early adopters, and hopefully get a chance to be featured in the video as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.